What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. We've been very busy here at the shop, but we're going to try to get you guys some more content out here soon. As you can see, we got something very exciting today. A Tesla Model X 2016 model. This is going to be in here for a full wrap. Also a chrome delete, possibly blacking out the wheels. The customer's still deciding on some of those things, so we'll have to see. But we do know for sure we are going to do the full wrap. A very cool color, one I've been wanting to do for a while, so it should be pretty exciting. Our first time doing a full wrap on a Tesla. We've done lots and lots of chrome deletes on Teslas. That's a really popular modification, but this is the first one we've got in for a full wrap. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, as you can see, we've got the hood all wrapped up. The hood is typically the first panel that we wrap on the vehicle. It gives us time to figure out how the vinyl works, how it stretches, how it takes heat, things of that nature. It's typically one of the easiest panels on the car, and that's why we like to start with that one to kind of get our bearings. But this material itself is KPMF. We really like KPMF. It's one of my favorite brands personally. This color is satin Aurora pearl. It's a really nice color. I've actually wanted to wrap this color for some years now. Actually, since I first started wrapping, I saw a car this color and I thought it was really cool. So finally getting to do it. This is my first time with Aurora pearl, but looking forward to seeing it all finished on this Model X. So stay tuned. We're getting ready to start on the fender here. I've got it all prepped and it's time to play some wire. Alright, so you may have noticed I'm actually rolling the vinyl inside out here. I'm getting ready to do what's called a reverse roll. Reverse rolls help a lot when you're a solo installer, and this car is not magnetic, so we can't hold the vinyl up with magnets like I would typically do. This is going to allow me to get it on the car in position by myself. And that's the fender. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start on these two doors. Go ahead and knock them out real quick. I'm probably going to set you guys up for a time lapse here, so just stay tuned and watch them out. Alright guys, as you can see, we pretty much finished up the wrap on the Tesla Model X. At least we finished up the body work. We still have the chrome delete to do, but I think we're going to bring you guys that in a part 2 video, so stay tuned so you can see the chrome delete process and also the finished product when we're done with everything. We're also going to be sending these wheels out to be painted in a satin black to match the chrome delete, so it should be really nice to tie the whole thing in once we're finished with it. So stay tuned for the next video. Chrome delete coming in part 2. Flex by J5, check it out.